Welcome back to MVP Zone, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, latest model updates, and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the freshly unveiled 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a midweight cruiser that's long been a favorite for both beginner and seasoned riders. With a unique blend of sporty performance and cruiser comfort, Kawasaki continues to refine the Vulcan S formula, and the 2025 model brings subtle yet significant updates. Let's break it all down. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S doesn't reinvent its visual identity, but it does introduce a few styling tweaks that make a big difference up close. Kawasaki retains the clean, aggressive lines that separate the Vulcan S from traditional cruisers. The headlight now comes with a sharper LED housing, giving it a more modern and premium touch. New paint schemes have also been introduced, with a matte black option accented by either neon green or deep red highlights, further cementing the bike's appeal to younger riders and those who appreciate a sportier edge. The ergonomics remain adjustable thanks to Kawasaki's ErgoFit system, allowing riders to tailor foot peg positions, seat height, and handlebar placement based on their height and reach. This feature continues to make the Vulcan S one of the most accessible cruisers on the market. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Vulcan S keeps its reliable 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, borrowed from Kawasaki's Ninja 650, but the 2025 model has seen subtle tuning refinements. Throttle response is crisper, and low-end torque delivery feels smoother, making it even more beginner-friendly while still being engaging for experienced riders. Power output stays around the 61 horsepower mark with 46 lb-ft of torque, offering enough punch for highway cruising and spirited city rides. Kawasaki has worked on reducing vibrations through improved engine mounting and minor exhaust tuning, resulting in a smoother and quieter ride overall. Fuel efficiency is consistent with previous models, averaging about 55 miles per gallon, which is excellent for a mid-sized cruiser. Ride quality and handling. One of the Vulcan S's biggest strengths is its non-traditional cruiser handling. With a relatively light curb weight of just over 490 pounds and a low center of gravity, it feels nimble in urban traffic and stable on open roads. The 2025 update brings minor tweaks to the suspension setup, still a 41mm telescopic fork up front and an adjustable rear monoshock, but damping has been improved to better absorb road imperfections. The low seat height of 27.8 inches and a relaxed riding position make this an ideal bike for beginners or shorter riders, while still offering a confident and enjoyable experience for taller riders thanks to the customizable ergos. Braking is managed by a 300mm front disc and a 250mm rear, with standard ABS. The brakes feel predictable and effective, further enhancing the sense of control and safety on the bike. Technology and features. Kawasaki hasn't gone overboard with tech, and that's a good thing for riders who want simplicity with just enough modernity. The 2025 Vulcan S now includes a refreshed LCD display that's easier to read in bright sunlight and includes a gear position indicator, fuel range estimator, and clock. Still no TFT or smartphone connectivity, but considering the Vulcan S's price point, the tech balance is fair. One nice surprise is the addition of a standard USB-C charging port discreetly placed under the seat, perfect for charging a phone or GPS device while riding. Price and competition. Kawasaki has managed to keep the 2025 Vulcan S competitively priced. Starting at around $7,499, it remains an excellent value proposition in the mid-size cruiser market. Its primary competitors include the Honda Rebel 500, Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, and even Harley-Davidson's Nightster at the higher end. But what sets the Vulcan S apart is its sport bike-derived engine, customizable ergonomics, and overall refinement. While some riders may crave the low-end grunt of a V-twin, the Vulcan's parallel twin offers versatility and reliability that few in its class can match. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S stays true to its roots while refining what was already a very successful formula. It doesn't try to be the loudest or flashiest cruiser on the block, instead, it delivers a well-balanced, easy-to-ride, and attractively priced motorcycle that appeals to a wide range of riders. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned motorcyclist looking for something nimble and comfortable for daily use, the Vulcan S remains one of the smartest buys in the category. Thanks for tuning into MVP Zone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.